Recently, there's a new fund offer that is NFO in the market from Axis Mutual Fund House. It is Axis Quant Fund. Quant Fund is a type of equity mutual fund. If you have been following my channel, you would know that I have good exposure in Axis Mutual Funds. I have always liked the investment style of Axis Fund House. Hence, I always keep an eye on new fund offers from Axis Fund House. The reason is simple. Their mutual funds are among the top performing funds in the category. Axis Mutual Fund House is among the top 10 fund houses in India. Recently, Axis Fund House has launched another mutual fund scheme in Quant Fund category. Now you might ask, when there are so many mutual funds already available in the market, then why another mutual fund? What is so special about this Quant Fund? So Axis Quant Fund is different from other mutual funds as it uses data-driven approach with minimum human intervention. This data-driven approach helps in identifying the top quality stocks based on various parameters like your P ratio, PB ratio, ROE, ROCE, growth ratio, and so on. In fact, Axis Fund has a complete framework called QGARP framework to shortlist the top stock for their Quant Fund scheme. What is this QGARP framework of Axis Quant Fund? We will discuss in this video. Hello friends, my name is Sahil and this is my Personal Finance Academy where I explain everything about money management in layman's language. In this video, we will discuss what exactly is a Quant Fund and how it is different from other mutual fund categories. And then we will discuss the details about the Axis Quant Fund NFO. This would help you make an informed decision about your investment. Alright, let's get started. Let's first try to understand what is a quant fund. A quant fund is basically a fund that uses quantitative analysis based on mathematical models with minimum qualitative judgment from the fund manager in picking the individual stocks in the portfolio. So here, the idea is to rely more on numbers or data rather than doing subjective analysis. Now let us try to understand what is Axis Quant Fund and how does it work. Axis Quant Fund is an open-ended equity scheme following a quantitative model. Axis Quant Fund aims to generate long-term wealth by using a fundamentally driven, rule-based approach to stock selection. The scheme aims to make informed decisions by investing primarily in equity instruments selected based on data-driven insights. Now let us look at the stock selection model of Axis Quant Fund. Axis Quant Fund portfolio would be built on QGARP model, that is quality and growth stock but at a reasonable price. Quality stocks are shortlisted on the basis of parameters like return on equity, return on capital employed, debt to equity level, volatility, and so on. Growth stocks are shortlisted on basis of parameters like earning improvement, change in profit margin, change in analyst forecast, and so on. Right price is selected on basis of parameters like your P ratio, PB ratio, dividend yield, and price to sale. So Axis Quant Fund would build a portfolio of stocks that ticks all the boxes of quality, growth, and right valuation. The fund house would actively review the portfolio on a regular basis and rebalance it if required. So if we summarize, out of the entire universe of listed stock, the fund manager would eliminate the majority of stock using elimination criteria for market cap, liquidity, data, red flag, etc. Then remaining stocks would be evaluated based on various selection parameters like growth, quality, and valuation and given a score and ranking. Finally, a portfolio of 50 to 60 stocks would be constructed by the fund manager that tops the shortlisting criteria of the fund house. I hope this would help you get a good clarity on the stock selection framework of Axis Quant Fund. Now let us look at the fund related details of Axis Quant Fund. Axis NFO period is between 11th to 25th June 2021. Its benchmark is S&P BSE 200 TRI. So this fund would majorly invest in the top 200 funds of India, that is the large and mid-cap category. The minimum initial investment amount would be Rs 5,000 and the minimum SIP amount would be Rs 1,000. Its fund manager is Mr. Deepak Agarwal. Mr. Deepak Agrawal is a CA and has 15 years of work experience. Axis Quant Fund would be investing somewhere around 80 to 100% of the money in equities, 0 to 20% in debt fund, and 0 to 10% in REITs and InvITs. So majority of allocation would be in equity. As far as exit load is concerned, if you redeem the money after 12 months of investment, then there is no exit load. However, if you redeem before 12 months of investment, then there is no exit load on initial 10% withdrawal and then 1% exit load on remaining 90% withdrawal. Its expense ratio would be revealed after the fund listing. Even the fund portfolio would be disclosed after the fund listing. So in this video, we discussed the Axis Quant Fund NFO from Axis Fund House. It is based on the quant model, which uses the mathematical and data-driven approach that tends to remove the human bias from the fund selection. The Axis Quant Fund uses the QGRP model that would shortlist quality and growth stock at a reasonable price. This data-driven approach helps in identifying the top quality stocks based on various parameters like your P ratio, PB ratio, ROE, ROCE, growth ratio, and so on. I hope this information will give you a good understanding of Axis Quant Fund and help you make an informed investment decision. I will see you with another video. Till then, take care.